Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fabricate Dolls. In my channel, you will see a lot of videos to transform your dolls. It's about their dressing and it's about their makeover and also their hairstyle. I also want to tell you, I love doing this in my videos now. What do you guys do? Just drop a comment and let me know what type of hobbies you have. If you like the video or not.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a